over here. Let me set the reference plane to level 2. Okay, now you can build the ceiling over here. You can sketch. So using this rectangle tool, sketch that one, and make sure the height of it, and that one was, let me see, not that one. This one, the ceiling was 11 feet. So build the ceiling, the very top ceiling, at 11 feet, and the soffit was offset was 9 feet 10 inches. So build that one, and when you're building that soffit ceiling, you need to actually put them together so it looks like this. So to build that one, you can use any compound ceiling, and you can do edit type. So duplicate and create, give a new name over here, and over here under edit, make sure you have structure as plywood, okay, 3/4 inch, and finish gypsum wallboard 5/8 of an inch. Do that, and actually when you're doing that, so that is like horizontal. So when you set that, like the cut pattern horizontal small, so it looks like that, make sure you do that, because when you're showing the detail, the cut view should show properly. So do that, and gypsum board, without you doing anything else, like it'll show like that. It is set up as default already. So do that. So you build this soffit ceiling, and just make sure the height is set up like that. And after that, draw one reference plane, okay, over here, this one, and I named that alcove. So I built this reference plane because when you place lighting fixture, the one that you downloaded from the website alcove, without it, it is kind of hard to place. So build this one, and I built cover over here, okay, and again, like using basic wall to edit type. So you build like just gypsum wallboard over here, 1/2 inch, so it just cover, so the light doesn't go out completely, and it has nice finish to it. So do that one. And this one is not correct, so let me change this. So this one is supposed to be, because I want that to cover entirely over here, so the height, I'll change that to this. Okay, so that one was 1 foot 5/8 of an inch. Okay, so it kind of fits right there. Okay, so do that. So to build this one, this is different. It's basically the same thing as this one, but because this one is ceiling and this is wall, you need to create this one using basic wall. Okay, so find any basic wall and change that name it differently, and change the structure over here, change the name, so you can find it later. But the important thing is this, okay? And when you're putting plywood, another important thing is like you change that from horizontal pattern to vertical, so it shows properly when you build this. So this one, cut pattern is like horizontal, and the cut pattern for this small wall, it is vertical. So do that, and place 2x4, so there you can put, build this. Okay, So do that, and I think as long as you do these, you're good. It is just that you need to place these lighting fixtures around the soffit, and it is placed just like that. Okay, and make sure, so this one, it is 1 foot 5/8 of an inch. Make sure it is just like that all around. So 1 foot 1/8. I forgot what it was. 1 foot. Do this first, and I'll match that after I check. Okay, it's the same, so that's good. Let me see. Okay, so I did that, and to see all the details, I changed the view to wireframe, and that's what I did on the section view as well. So without doing that, if I choose hidden view, the detail over here doesn't show. So to show the detail, I changed to wireframe so I can show the detail inside. It is cutting through the light fixture. And after that, just add important notes, okay? And you can make more notes from, you can get more notes from the detail that I uploaded on Blackboard. So this height and the light fixture and this cover should align, the top of them should align. And the light fixture that we used is a little different than this one, so we didn't have to chamfer this, because the light fixture itself is angled for us, so we didn't need to do that. So something like this one, and justify to front edge of Cove. Okay, so that's still true, so include this one. Cove return to be based on actual fixture dimensions, provide allowance for construction tolerance, to be shimmed flush with top edge of Cove in the field. That applies, so keep that one. And we have, so this one is just the specification guideline, but we have certain dimensions, so you can do the dimension over here, the exact dimensions. So that's how you draw them. I do not, this time I didn't go like step by step, because by now you learned enough of Revit. By just showing you the guidelines, I think you should be able to create something like this. And in class, I'll try to help you.